Hello guys, today we are going to learn about some professions and jobs with their use in sentence. Please subscribe my channel for amazing videos. DENTIST dentist. I have an appointment with my dentist next week for a routine cleaning and checkup. BUTCHER butcher. The butcher skillfully carved the meat into perfect portions for the customers. PILOT pilot. The airline company hired a new pilot to fly their latest fleet of planes. CARPENTER carpenter. The carpenter used a saw to cut the wooden planks to the desired length. JUDGE judge. A judge is a public official responsible for interpreting and applying the law in court. MECHANIC mechanic. The mechanic repaired my car's engine in just a few hours. ACCOUNTANT accountant. I need to schedule a meeting with my accountant to file my tax return. ASTRONOMER astronomer. An astronomer is a scientist who studies celestial objects and phenomena. JOURNALIST journalist. Journalists play a critical role in promoting transparency, accountability, and democracy.